In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share just one folder on OneDrive. Let's dive into this straightforward process that will have you sharing files in no time. First, you'll want to sign in to your Microsoft account. This is your gateway to a range of Microsoft services, including OneDrive. Simply look for the Sign In button on the OneDrive page. Once you find it, clicking it will prompt you to fill in your credentials. Make sure to enter the email address associated with your Microsoft account, which you also use for OneDrive. After typing in your email address, you'll click Next. Now, this part is crucial because it sets the path towards accessing your OneDrive. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Be sure to enter it carefully, and if by chance you can't recall it, remember there's always the option to reset it, although today's guide won't cover that step in detail. After you've entered your password, you're going to click Next once again. At this stage, you might see a prompt asking if you want to stay signed in. If you're on a personal device, clicking Yes might save you some time in the future, as it means not having to enter your credentials every time you access Microsoft services. Now that you're signed in, you'll want to navigate to OneDrive. You can do this by finding the All Microsoft menu where OneDrive will be listed. Once located, click on it. Since you're already signed into your Microsoft account, you'll be taken directly to the OneDrive homepage, often referred to as OneDrive Home. From here, you'll want to click on My Files. This section houses all your stored files and folders. As you browse through, find the specific folder that you wish to share. This could be anything from a folder of work documents to a collection of family photos. Once you have the folder selected, you'll notice a Share option appear. Clicking this will bring up a new window. In this new window, input the name or email address of the person with whom you'd like to share the folder. This input is critical because it ensures that only your intended recipient can access the folder. Depending on how you'd like to coordinate, you can set this person's permission level to either view the contents or edit them. After filling in the recipient's details, go ahead and click Send. This action will send them an invitation, granting access to the folder you've chosen to share. And just like that, you've shared a folder on OneDrive. Remember, when sharing files or folders online, always be mindful of the information you're sharing and double-check the recipient's details. OneDrive allows you to manage permissions for shared items, providing an extra layer of control over who views or edits your files. Feel free to explore these settings further to ensure your files remain as secure as you need them to be. Thanks for joining me in this guide on sharing a single folder on OneDrive. Whether you're an experienced user or new to online file storage and sharing, mastering this skill will undoubtedly enhance your productivity.